Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from June's Ipsy Extra. This month's theme is Blend the Rules, and I have good news because the drawstring bag is back. The bag design features an iconic print inspired by Marilyn Monroe and her signature red lip. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Patchology Playing Defense Barrier Boosting Sheet Mask, Rodial Vit C Drops, Formula Z Aura Energy Glowing Primer, Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush, and the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try on all of the products we received. First, we have the Patchology Playing Defense Sheet Mask. This comes with 4 masks, and the key ingredients are vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. Its primary focus is to defend the skin against external aggressors. It's completely soaked in a serum, and so my dry skin just drinks it right up. Next, I'm using the Rodial Vit C Drops. This is the most expensive product in the box at $95. I feel like it's a great pairing with the sheet mask because of the vitamin C, so we're sort of sticking to a theme, and it definitely adds instant radiance. Now let's take a look at the Formula Z Aura Energy Glowing Primer. This says to use 1 or 2 pumps for a radiant glow. Oh my gosh, that's like liquid gold. I don't quite think this is my shade, but we will be achieving a very glowy base. It's giving Tin Man. After that, I'm trying the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush. This is in the shade Nearly Apricot. Let's swatch it. It's described as a muted coral. I think it's perfect for summer, and I definitely want to pick up the shade Nearly Neutral now. Finally, I'm applying the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Mascara. I've received this one from Ipsy previously, and I like how it has the serum cocktail ingredients for healthier looking lashes while still being long wearing. Here's the finished look using products from June's Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.